Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is MV Chetan Kumar. Today's subject is Indian Railways. Railways have done very interesting journey in short span of generations. In many countries, railway have their own ministry due to a large population of people using it. In one of that country, India has also found a success in railway system. However, there are some facts about Indian Railway that you need to know. But before continuing the video, please subscribe, like and share this video. Now let's enjoy the video. The Indian Railway came into existence long back in 1853 on 16th April after independence of India. Indian Railway rank in 4th largest rail network with approximately 65,000 kilometers of railroad. Indian Railway employs over 1.4 million people, making it as the largest employer in India. The Indian Railway transports over 23 million passengers every day. Indian Railway operates up to 19,000 trains per day. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share the video.